Yo, what up people, it's your boy Tony here and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video I'm going to hire a Fiverr artist. I'm going to pay an artist to paint this particular picture right here. Okay, so I want your reactions at the end of this video. I want you to tell me, is it worth the price I paid, to get this particular gig on Fiverr? All right, so let me quickly head over to my system and get me a seller to do this gig. Let me go. Okay, actually I have this seller. He's actually my friend Amy Chris. Okay, so I thought it's something cool to support a friend's business when I want this particular service. So I hit him up and he sent me his profile link on Fiverr, and I'm gonna order the gig right now. Okay, let me send him a message and see how this goes. Contact me. Okay, so let's see. Whoops, we have some unexpected problems and this and that on Fiverr. Okay, so it seems this won't work out, but I've hit him up in the DM. Okay, I've contacted him directly. He's my friend on Facebook, so I'm gonna pay him over there and get this done over with. So I'm going to update you guys how long it will take, probably 24 hours or 48 hours, and I will come back to show you guys how much I got it for and what exactly I got for paying that particular price. In case, I'll leave a link. I know Fiverr will fix this issue right up, but I'll leave a link in the description for those of you that want to get this particular service from my friend. Actually, please check out the link in the description. The link to his profile will be there in the description waiting for you. See you tomorrow. Yo, I'm back. So this is 24 hours since I placed an order on Fiverr. Okay, so I can't wait to show you guys what this artist really gave me for paying $20. Okay, actually it didn't work out on Fiverr, but I told you guys earlier on that he's my friend, so I went over to WhatsApp to chat him and make the payment there. But actually this is actually what you are going to get if you are to pay him $20 on Fiverr. So I'm excited. Let's go. Okay, so let me open up and see. Yeah. Okay guys, so let me say I talk to you guys. Hope you guys can see it. It will be up on the screen. Okay, so this is what I actually got for paying $20. You see, digital painting, okay, it's not just like a vector art or some other kind of art. Okay, so to me it looks pretty awesome, although there are some patches on my cheeks and all that, but it's all good. I love it. And maybe I'm going to frame this. Who knows? I'm going to frame this. Please tell me guys, what do you think in the comment section? Please leave a comment. What do you think about this? Is this art really worth it? Is it really worth $20 on Fiverr? Okay, and I got it under 24 hours. Let me know. Then again, he went on to share. Oh my god, wait. He went on to share a black version of this art. Okay, so let's watch. He went on to share a black version of this art, which is this one. I don't know, black or white, which really looks cool. I don't know, but I think I'll go with the color. But this black and gray, it looks pretty awesome to me. Okay, anyway, this is not my first time of placing an order on Fiverr. Okay, I'm a Fiverr seller, I know, but I also buy things on Fiverr once in a while, and this is not my first time. Okay, I've had this done for $5. Look at it. Okay, so I've had this done also for $5 on Fiverr, and a couple of other arts. So these and these were done on Fiverr. So it's left alone for you if you need this art in this style or this art in this style. I will leave all three sellers on Fiverr. Okay, I will leave their link in the description for you guys. Okay guys, so I'm done with this video. make sure you hit the like button, okay, to make it worthwhile. I didn't actually want this art. I just wanted to show you guys what it really looks like to order on Fiverr and what you are getting for your money. Okay, so in my case I got this digital art for $20, which I told you guys, please let me know in the comment section. Do you like it? Like, is it worth the price? And if you actually get an art, okay, on Fiverr. Alright, so I'll leave a link to the profile of these 3 sellers on Fiverr. Okay, so if you really want an art, go check them out. I've tried it and I highly recommend their services on Fiverr. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Peace.